Importance of moisture control for low-moisture plastic resins. Resin drying is a critical process in most molding operations. Raw resin materials are carefully shipped with specific moisture control, but environmental conditions at molding facilities can increase or decrease moisture quantity before these are processed in the injection molding machine. ASTM, or American Society for Testing and Materials, released the testing standard for the moisture content of plastics through LOD process or loss of weight on drying, also known as thermogravimetric method. In a nutshell, moisture analyzers for plastic resin work by using drying or heat to take out and quantify moisture. The measuring device in the analyzer computes the moisture content by differentiating the initial weight to the resulting weight after completing the drying process. ASTM Compliant Moisture Analyzer for Plastic Resin. ASTM compliance and NIST calibration in measuring moisture are two standards rigorously practiced to ensure the finished products using plastic resin are stable and quality assured. Moisture analyzers such as DSC-71P are applied at different steps in manufacturing, from testing the raw material as they are shipped by suppliers before storage, random checking of drying ovens for performance, and pre-processing step to ensuring quality control of end products.